Hey YouTubers, I said I'd do up another video of cards that I've been pulling over the Christmas holidays. Just the other day I went and bought a pack of the Trilogy, and one pack I pulled the Ice Grips Jonathan Cheechoo. It's not a bad pull for one pack of cards. Other cards I pulled, Carey Price 3-color. It's from the Heroes and Prospects. Carey Price out of the basic set, white swatch. And then between the pipes I pulled Carey Price, Jonathan Bernier, and Jonathan Boutin 3-color. Out of OPG pulled a basic Sam Gagner and a marquee Mark Stahl. A few other jersey cards or autographs that I have. SPX Winning Materials Joe Sakic in the blue. Marks of Distinction gold version Chris Pronger, and it's numbered 5 out of 25. Out of the artifacts, you have Jenny Malkin, Frozen, out of 50. Trio, Tangay Kippersoft Iginla. The only thing I don't like about these is Tangay is still in his Colorado colors. A nice one that I pulled was out of 10, and it's Al MacInnis Ray Bourque, and MacInnis has the 3 colors. Out of Upper Deck, 2-color Mario Lemieux. And then I bought a couple boxes of O Canada. I pulled a Haley Wickenheiser autograph. Last card I'll show is Andrew Ladd, rookie jersey and autograph out of SPX. And I'll do up more videos showing some cards. As you see here, I have a bunch more cards that I can go through. If you're looking for any particular card, send me a message. If I have it, I would more than likely sell it or trade it. I am collecting Sidney Crosby's. As you heard from my last video, I have a couple jersey cards of Crosby. And I'm also collecting Malkin, and as you can tell from this video, Carey Price. If there's any cards you like, just send me a message.